After getting the solar panel, you need to install the base. Take out the base and tool kit from the accessory box. The tools used are 10mm Torx wrench and needle nose pliers. Take out the screw bag. There are M616 and M612 hexagonal screws in the screw bag, and M612 hexagonal screws are needed to install the solar base. Take out the base and place it on the aluminum plate. Aligning the holes. Remove the nut and one washer from the screw. Hold the screw with needle nose pliers. Pass it under the aluminum plate. Put the washer on the screw and tighten the nut with a 10mm Torx wrench. Similarly, install the other screw. At this point, the installation of the solar base is completed.